Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to arrange data is alphabetic order. So if you want to sort data is alphabetic or numeric, so firstly type your data like A. So I'm arranging the data is randomly. So now select this data to arrange. Now here is the option. You will see the icon of short. So click on this short icon, and in here you will find option ascending or descending. So if you want to sort A to Z, so select first one, and if you want to sort and arrange in Z to A order, so select this one. So firstly we will select ascending A to Z, so select this one and click on OK. That's it. So as we can see now, this data is ordered as A to Z. Similarly, if we will select and we will select this descending, so this order will be changed, and here will be data from Z to A, and that's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to arrange and sort data as alphabetic. Thanks for watching.